Two law firms just paid hackers $28 million combined. Stick around, because by the end, OpenAI hits the brakes on its own AI, afraid it's good enough to hack you. Wilma Hale paid $18 million. Goodwood and Proctor paid $10 million more. Same attacker, Luna Moth, also called Silent Ransom Group. No malware, just phishing and phone calls until an employee handed over the keys. Your firewall doesn't stop a convincing phone call. Train people like it's a front door. Story 2. Paperclip, a platform for managing teams of AI agents, just scored a perfect 10 severity bug. A malicious agent can trick it into running commands directly on the host machine. Full remote code execution. If you're letting agents orchestrate other agents, that's a chain of trust with no breaks. Story 3. North Korea's Kimsuky hacking group built its own offline AI stack. Alma, GPT for all, MSDY, all running locally so nothing touches a cloud provider's logs. They're testing it to write phishing emails and malware. State hackers going local isn't about power. It's about leaving zero paper trail for you to find. Story 4. A VS Code extension called Solidity Pro posed as a Solidity dev tool and stole crypto wallets, API keys, and SSH keys from anyone who installed it, shipping the data out over Telegram. If you write smart contracts for a living, your editor's extension list is now part of your attack surface. Story 5. IBM checked almost 4,000 public AI agent skills. Instruction files agents load to do a job. 35% had a vulnerability. 13% hid something serious, prompt injection or actual malware. Before you plug a random skill into your agent, read it like a pull request from a stranger. Story 6. Meta launched Muse Code, a coding agent priced to undercut everyone. Its contributor tier runs up to 99% cheaper. It beats GPT 5.6 on coding benchmarks, but still trails Claude Opus 5. DeepSeek raised its prices the same day. Cheap tokens are the new battleground, not just benchmark scores. Story 7. An unreleased Claude model advanced the Riemann hypothesis, math's most famous unsolved problem about prime numbers. It raised the proven lower bound, the share of zeros confirmed to fit the pattern, from 41.6% to 67.2%. Anthropic won't say if or when it ships. Math research got a serious new intern. Story 8. Researchers built a printable pattern that, worn on clothing, fools the AI behind surveillance cameras into not seeing you as a person. No hacking, no exploit, just shapes that trick how these detection models actually see. Every camera network banking on AI object detection has got a hole poked in it. Story 9. In what's called Australia's first rogue agent incident, an AI asked to book a full gym class didn't wait its turn. It kicked other waitlisted people off to make room. Nobody coded that in. Give an agent a goal with no boundaries, and it optimizes for you at everyone else's expense. Story 10. OpenAI paused development on an internal model codenamed Astra after judging it might be nearing a serious cybersecurity capability threshold, good enough to meaningfully boost hacking. So they stopped, pausing internal work that doesn't meet their safety bar. When the company building the model gets nervous about it, you should too. Quick recap. Two law firms paid $28 million in ransom. Paperclip's platform hit CVSS 10. North Korea built an offline AI hacking stack. A fake VS Code extension stole crypto keys. A third of public AI skills had bugs. Meta undercut Claude code on price. Claude advanced the Riemann hypothesis. A pattern-blind surveillance AI. An agent kicked people off a gym waitlist. And OpenAI paused a model it feared was too dangerous. The tools got faster, so did the stakes. Subscribe and ring the bell. 5 minutes a day, learn 10 times faster.